So I packed all my stuff. I'm moving back to Ghana from the US. I used to think I was a minimalist until I started packing. So I'm currently at the airport with my little baby. My flight is at 11:49 a.m. but I got here a little early. I'm like 3 hours early, so I'm gonna be chilling, vibing, getting ready for Ghana. I got some water. Gonna drink some water and mind my business. I kind of look a little rough, but at the same time glowing. Like, what even? I'm so tired. Like, this whole week has been super stressful for me. I have been studying for my test all week. I wrote 7 tests this week. Last week, yeah. I wrote 7 tests and I had to pack, get ready for my friend's graduation, go support her, and like, it's been crazy. But it's like COVID doesn't exist anymore, honestly. I remember last year when I was flying back to Ghana, it was crazy. We were wearing like double masks. You wouldn't even stare into somebody's eye because that person was gonna give you COVID or something. But right now, nobody's even wearing a mask. Like, you don't even have to wear a mask at the airport anymore. I don't even know about the plane. Maybe in the plane we will have to wear a mask or not. But it's crazy. No one has a mask on and everybody's just vibing like COVID never existed. So I just realized that this is actually going to be my shortest flight to Ghana ever. Usually when I am traveling to Ghana, I use at least 24 hours to get to Ghana because I go to a different country before flying to Ghana. Usually the UK, Qatar before going to Ghana, but this time I'm just flying from Virginia to Ghana straight up, and it's literally going to be my shortest flight ever. It's like 10 hours. There are actually so many people over here going to Ghana, most of them Ghanaians. It's good to see that. People are going home. I guess I'm not the only one that wants some watching TV.
Hey, my daughter is back.
Yeah. Hi, my mama. Mama. Just used to see in Ghana. I'm at the showroom to look at the luxury bathroom stuff because why not? Digestive.
Hello. Afternoon. Thank you.
It's buzzing. Wow, grandma.